Here is my top 3 gardening activities that I do daily to keep the plants healthy. Number 1, pest control. May mga gulay na mas prone sa atake ng mga peste kaya I ensure to check them daily. I do this manually and I try to avoid using pesticides as much as possible. Number 2, pruning. Pruning improves light and airflow around the plants which are essential for healthy growth. It also encourages more flowering and fruiting kaya mas madaming pwedeng maging bunga. And number 3, watering the plants. Daily watering is essential to keep the plants hydrated, especially in a rooftop setup where they are exposed to extreme heat of the sun. Yun po, by doing these 3 simple steps, we ensure healthy plant growth ng mga halaman sa ating mga garden. Sana ay na-encourage kayo ng maikling video na to. At kung nakaabot kayo sa part na to, pwede nyo po bang i-comment kung taga saan kayo para naman malaman natin kung hanggang saan nakaabot ang video na to. At kung nagustuhan nyo po ito, pwede nyo po bang paki-like at paki-share na rin. Yun po, God bless and happy gardening. Follow us for more!